Hey everybody, I'm so glad you're here today. Let me take another sip. I'm really excited for you all to meet my friends, the Frowny Critters. Smiling Critters. You guys might have the spotlight for a while. Wait until you see all the amazing things we have to offer.
Say hi to the bad times, hi to the sad rhymes. We are Mystery's company.
Not good.
Rather be angy, tired and angry. Wow. Yeah, about you and me. F-R-O-W-N. Not your friend, it won't pretend. F-R-O-W-N. We're unhappy till the end. Frown, frown every day, all other way.
Get some peace and quiet.
I don't buy it.
Hey! All of your happy games are smiley ways.
We don't enjoy it.
Why destroy it?
Bobby wants to sleep and he won't eat, and Granny hates you. Dog presses blue. Ignore the food, been chicken and boring. Unicorn, dum dum dum, and not much more.
Hey, what do you mean not much more? You guys can't lie about that in front of the Smiling Critters. It's a song for all of us, including me. Come on, don't let me out, guys. Don't you lie. It's caffeine. You're fine. You're happy. Say it with me. The caffeine. I'm wired. Don't you lie. It's caffeine. You're fine.